In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and WooCommerce. By the end, you'll confidently find the cart notices for WooCommerce extension using a simple Google search and the official WooCommerce site, so you can review its details and decide if it fits your store's needs. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type WooCommerce. You'll see several results, but you want the official site at woocommerce.com. Look for the correct domain, and if you see ads at the top, scroll past them until you find the official result. Clicking the official link ensures you're getting accurate information, current pricing, and the most up-to-date documentation. It also helps you avoid outdated mirrors or third-party pages that might not reflect the latest features. Once you're on the WooCommerce website, navigate to the Extensions section. This is typically visible in the main navigation menu near the top of the page. If the layout has changed or you're on a smaller screen, look for a menu icon and then find extensions from there. You don't need to install anything at this point. You're simply browsing the marketplace. If you're prompted to sign in, you can explore the catalog without committing to any action. The goal here is to reach the page where you can search and filter official extensions. On the Extensions page, use the search field to look up Cart Notices for WooCommerce. Typing the full name helps you land on the exact product, but even cart notices will typically surface the right result. If you see filters, you can refine by category or relevance, but it's usually not necessary if your search is specific. If nothing appears immediately, double-check your spelling, then try again. Search results can vary slightly by region, but the official listing should be clearly labeled and include a short description. When you see cart notices for WooCommerce in the results, click it to open the product page. This page is where you can confirm you found the correct extension. You'll typically see the full title, an overview of what it does, such as displaying dynamic messages in the cart to encourage customers to add items, reach free shipping thresholds, or complete checkout, plus screenshots, version compatibility, and documentation links. Take a moment to review the details. Check the compatibility information with your current WordPress and WooCommerce versions, and note any requirements or pricing. If you want to revisit it later, bookmark the page so you can return without repeating the search. That's it. You've used Google to reach WooCommerce, navigated to extensions, searched for cart notices for WooCommerce, and opened the official listing to review everything in one place.